Adadiorama thinking that your propaganda will do anything. This is Commander Gentle.
I just dedicated myself.
If you go Buaruano,
They enjoy himself.
Elanioliku. Adadiorama Biatano, Commander Gentle Segebiatano. Adadiorama is Lago Lebu, our men.
I never know what they do to
This is one of our commanders.
Again. Garri kabada ngomo.
Magalulu alani on them.
Garri! Biafra donate thousands every week. Every week. Garri.
Governors.
Success when God take the poke with it.
Insecurity.
Okay, when God take the poke with it, that will disgrace you people. Or have they get on the yeti. I just also can wipe on another thing. Or that can be seen out there. Aging a bunch of them.
If you are denying that you are not terrorist,
anybody,
today,
anybody,
security in the southeast.
I say anybody,
automatically, instantly. That is what.
Adadiorama NGOZI or Abeze.
Just because of
Commander Gentle enough message for you guys. Adadiorama send our men. Abi, oh yeah. How can our men now go in
Okigwe State? It's my brother. Eat. No, this is the Air Force man, the Nigerian Air Force man.
You are a man.
He said he's a recruit.
I greet you.
He was captured after the battle on 11th of November. Being yesterday sit at home. Today we captured this one.
So our men now go Garri. Jidezi they are captive. Lenyezia is with Yano with Ofe
China.
Adadiorama or Maderege Malo. Ndeli NGOZI or Abeze recruited to fight Simon Ep and one Joko. Lili Gichala Remini. On your Ojabalaruala, Amala Chief.
With Donald Trump, I honored you. You are a great man. The Biafran has all it takes. We are appealing to you all.
You guys think that the propaganda,
to please,
your propaganda and lies can do anything.
Biafrans are dying in the
you can't win this war. I always tell you, you can't win this war with propaganda and lies.
That is causing
Biafra Liberation Army is eating well and feeling good.
They are the ones.
They are good to go. Commander Gentle.
Terrorists that calls themselves of zoological
keep the fire burning, people. My commander.
They are deceiving them, telling them that we are terrorists. They are the ones making them not to understand what we are fighting for, that we are fighting for our freedom. DOS is the one. We are not against our people, we are not killing our people. We are not the one killing our people. It is DOS that is killing our people. How can we stand and be fighting for our freedom and on top of it we are killing our brothers? It's impossible. All those allegations is allegation. We are not a kidnapper, we are not a criminals, and we can't engage ourselves on that. We are only freedom fighter, we are only fighting for our freedom. Biafra, we are only fighting for Biafra nation. That is all we are fighting for. All these allegations that they are throwing on us, why shouldn't all these leaders and Tinubu be their criminal master with the Mustafa? Why can't them go to Finland and clear themselves very well and clear the air over there? I don't want to talk much. They have come and we neutralize them in many numbers, but those ones, they will not carry the news. Thank God that all of you, being the world leaders, have seen the atrocities and the level of hatred that these people has on us. Look at how they have been setting houses ablaze. All those houses that they have been setting ablaze, killing innocent people, is it where the Biafra Liberation Armies are staying? This is the question I just want to ask them. Is it where they are living? I just want to know. Let them answer me this question. Can they come and fight us? Can they locate us where we are living, where we are staying? We have our camp. And they know our camp very, very well. Now, they caught my brother called Zuma. They caught Zuma. They took Zuma to his own camp and destroyed his own camp. And they are claiming, propagandering, that is my camp. That is not my camp. And for their information, I, Gentle, am everywhere. I don't have camp. I don't have any camp. And I must make sure I bring Nigeria down. And Nigeria is falling already. And Nigeria have fallen out. You have had my comrade, Commander HOLYGHOST. He have said it all. And that is the message for all of Biafrans. They have to hear it up. Let them not think that we are joking. We are not joking. We are not playing. We are so much serious. We are more than serious to these people. And we cannot take it light with them. This is Onyo Ezoku, a.k.a. Gentle, Yahoo. I have come up once again to let the world knows that all this propaganda of Nigeria, terrorists of Athens, we are tired of it. We're only saying that we don't want to be among Nigeria. We don't want to belong to Nigeria anymore. And we are not a Nigeria. I can never be a Nigeria. I've never been in Ugu outside North before. Sincerely, they burnt me. I have never been in Lagos before. Why are they worried? Why are they worried like this? Why are they looking after me like this? Why are they searching for me to kill? I'm a Biafran. They have to stop looking around, searching for me to kill. They cannot kill me. My life is not in their hand.